Hey everyone, welcome back to Mesh Potato. Today we're diving into an essential part of the 3D workflow, how to bake textures in Substance Painter. Whether you're working in Substance Painter, Blender, or any other tool, baking textures is what makes your models both game ready and optimized. Start by importing your mesh into Substance Painter. This will be the model we generate our maps from. Go to Texture Setting, then Bake Mesh Maps. You can also open it from Windows. View Texture Set Setting. Now I'll click on Bake Mesh Maps. Select all the required maps. Choose output 1K, 2K, or 4K, so I will bake in 2K for now. Bake selected textures. Now you can see all maps are baked. Normal, AO, curvature, position, and others you need. Press B and now you can see all the maps. This is the easy way for you to bake your maps in Substance 3D Painter, just in seconds.